we help you, ma'am?
Guess the donut breaks over.
You've been hitting the sauce tonight, ma'am?
No, sir, officer. I've been hitting the sauce all day long.
Are my eyes fooling me, or am I looking at Vera Montello?
Who?
Wife of the late Johnny Montello. Before your time. Scum of the earth, this guy. Used to run this town before he got whacked.
As much as I'm enjoying this walk down memory lane, I think I'll just be leaving.
Okay, come on, Grandma. Let's get you back to the old folks' home.
If I ever hear my Johnny's name pass through your lips again, I'll cut him off. Old girl still got it.
Vera, did you just knock out 2 cops? How? You found the tequila, didn't you?
You thought I wouldn't look behind the washing machine?
Hey, I'm impressed you know that we have a washing machine. That thing was rusted over when I found it.
Can we chat domestic troubles later? We need to get out of here.
My thoughts exactly. You the kid?
Yeah, Jason.
You drive.
Drive what?
The truck.
Shouldn't we go to the police? Frank's trying to kill me.
The cops are on Frank's payroll, just like the rest of this town.
Just drive, kid. We'll worry about Frank later.
Head north to the strip.
I gotta get me one of these. Handles like a dream.
It may not be a Galapino, but it'll bust through any police blockades. Nice! Guess you've had to shake cops before. Probably after they found out you were shooting all those rats.
What can I say? Boston's finest protect the rights of man and vermin.
Nice one, kid. I'll drink to that. Congratulations, kid. You're a rising star on Vegas's most wanted list. Karen, gun.
Catch.
Get away!
Well, that was a gas.
More fun than I've had in a long time.
Karen, tell Jason that if he just gives me a little time, I think I can work things out with Frank. It's delicate, but we'll figure it out.
You do know I'm standing right here. So now what?
We're good here. It's safe. Just, lay low for a while. We'll be in touch.
Hello?
Hey, it's Karen.
How's it going?
It goes? So look, you're officially on the lam, which means you need your own key. Swing by a shop and grab one. I'm not gonna drive you everywhere.
stop spinning. It's making me queasy.
Miss Montello, you talked to Frank yet?
Who? Oh, yeah, This is, a situation that requires some finesse. He lost a lot of money on you.
Okay.
We can protect you, kid, but, you're gonna have to work to earn that protection. Them's the rules. One of my earners named E-Man might be able to use you. Go find him.
Where are you, my tiny darlings? Where did... here's...
Are you E-Man?
Sometimes, sure, okay. Sometimes not so much. Depends upon your perspective, I guess.
Right. Vera sent me.
Excellent timing, for I have been attacked and fleeced by a dragon
A what?
with several heads. Terribly fast, roaring in and out of nowhere, on a board, wheels, so much laughing.
So, you got jacked by a couple of skateboarders. Got it.
Except you don't got it. They got it. They took the secret formula. The one and only scroll. If other alchemists make the potion, no need for the Ypres, you see?
Ah, so they took, like, your formula for whatever it is you make.
Precisely.
I'm on it.